High tide's back on us Tuesday, and talked about it yesterday morning. At this time, it was just coming down, and it was over, like, at least in southern Maine, by like 7. So you had all day to clean it up, but the wind remained, but it was pretty bad.
There was a lot to clean up, Our coastline got battered pretty good. That high tide around 11 o'clock yesterday morning was impressive with the water level and also the wave action, too. Wind, probably the biggest problem for the majority of us because of the power outages. Had a gust of 60 in Bangor and New Harbor, Rockland 56, Bar Harbor and Pine Point in Scarborough gusted over 50 miles per hour. That wind, after it settled a little bit, brought in the chilly air. You could feel it by the end of the day, and as that cold air pours into the state, it's kicking off some snow showers. We've seen a few flurries. They're now passing off the coastline. Looks like in Kennebunkport and Arundel, you may still see a few flakes floating around. Then there's some more intense snow showers that just came through the lakes here in western Maine, Long Lake in Naples and Harrison, and now they're coming through the rest of them as they approach Route 26 and the Maine Turnpike too. But the most intense snow showers have just left New Hampshire and have crossed the border into Maine. And places like Stowe and Lovell and Sweden and the Oxford Hills are getting hit and may have some evidence of those snow showers on the ground, which could lead to some slick spots on roads. They may be a little greasy, so be careful early on here this morning. Our temperatures aren't terrible. They're in the mid-30s. Wind isn't too strong just yet. Knock a few degrees, shave a few off of those actual air temperatures. It feels closer to 30 right now. But the wind chills are going to get worse today, and it's going to feel like 20s most of the time. We've got one little spoke of energy passing through. That's the next wave of cold air. So tonight and tomorrow even colder, but high pressure will be building in. So tomorrow's going to be a sunnier day than today. Even though we'll have some breaks of sun, we're also going to have quite a few clouds out there, and at times some flakes in the air. A few of these snow showers may be more intense, as I mentioned, up in the hills right now, so be careful there. Colder and the breeze is starting to pick up. Clouds build middle of the day, limited sunshine and a passing snow shower risk. Feels like temperatures in the 20s. And then as the afternoon wears on and the sun goes down, those clouds, that's where they're getting their energy from, will begin to melt away. And it'll go clear late in the evening. The breeze sticks around though, so it's going to feel quite cold if you're out and about when you get home from work. Northwesterlies today, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Normal high 44, not quite. High in Bangor 36, along with Augusta and Lewiston. High in Portland 38, and only 20s up in the mountains and north. Tomorrow equally as cold, a little sunnier though. Highs in the 30s. And then a warm front swings through tomorrow night, so Thursday's milder, back into the 40s. Stays in the 40s on Friday. If you recall yesterday, I was keeping an eye on the phasing between this cold front and this area of low pressure. Still does not look like it will occur, so we'll see some rain showers Friday afternoon and Friday night, but no large storm to start the weekend. The first will pass off the coastline. There is concern, though, late in the weekend and probably early next week, another potential storm system could curl up the coastline, so we'll be keeping an eye on that as well. Pattern overall looks cold. Pattern overall looks juiced up with storms. The question is, do they all kind of come together perfectly and get to us? And time will tell. Small crafts are up. Seas 4 to 7. West winds 15 to 25 knots. Water temps still hanging in there, close to 50. So partial sunshine today, chance for a snow shower, highs in the 30s. Tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, highs 30 to 35. We'll clear out Thursday morning, gets nice and bright in the afternoon, and milder too, with highs in the 40s. 40s stick around for Friday and Saturday, but we'll have some rain showers Friday afternoon and Friday night. Turns sunny on Saturday, and Sunday will be fine too. Clouds on the increase. Next storm system chance would be Monday of next week.
Well, it's becoming a theme.
It is, actually, yeah. I don't like that.
Well, better Mondays
it's
than
rough
Saturdays
getting
Sunday.
into Mondays.
Yeah, it's
we
a
don't
tough
need storms,
restart,
too.
though. All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah.